beautiful plumage and spectacular displays of courtship, birds of paradise are certainly among the world's most beautiful of avian species. And the Wilson's bird of paradise is no exception to this. Their fabulous colors and fantastic trailing plumes lead to incredible stories about their origins and habits. Males are easily distinguished by their brilliant turquoise skin at the back of their head, crisscrossed with lines of fine black velvety feathers that have a sheen of coppery bronze iridescence. Females are much less ornately decorated than males, and the bare skin on their head is a much less brilliant lilac blue. Wilson's bird of paradise is an endemic species of the West Papuan islands of Batanta and Waigeo, off northern West Papua's coast in Indonesia. This species primarily inhabits hill forest, usually being at elevations of about 300 meters or 1,000 feet, although calling has also occasionally been recorded in lowland rainforest and higher montane forests as high as 1,200 meters or about 4,000 feet. Wilson's bird of paradise is an omnivore and eats mainly fruit along with some small insects. The distinctive appearance of Wilson's bird of paradise is demonstrated in its full splendor during the bird's courtship display. Here, males perform their display within an arena, a small clearing in the middle of the dense forest. It is usually well lit. We can see this male tidying up his arena right now. No doubt he's trying to impress some local female, whom he hopes will come and visit this morning. The male first carefully clears the arena of unwanted items, such as leaf litter and sapling stems. At the arrival of a potential mate, the male first adopts the characteristic frozen posture while perching on the branch of a sapling. He then responds to the female by performing his intricate courtship ritual, showing off his attractive breast shield, accompanying his display with calls and song. Apparently, it is the alluring light green color in the stunning finale that clinches the performance. And now we'll hear the male's mating call. There are 2 mating seasons per year for the Wilson's bird of paradise, from May until June and again in October. Not much else is known about this elusive species' breeding behavior. However, it is known that the female both builds the nest and incubates the eggs. The main threats to this species are ongoing habitat loss, its limited range, and human exploitation. Wilson's bird of paradise does occur in the Papaua Waigeo Nature Reserve, but there are concerns that this population may have greatly reduced in size due to natural causes. On Batanta Island, major forest loss has occurred due to logging, causing significant habitat degradation. No estimate of population size is available for Wilson's bird of paradise. Currently, this species is classified as near threatened, and its numbers today are decreasing. And we see that this male continues to attend to his arena. He really wants it to look spiffy, just in case some female might come by and visit. It is claimed that famed naturalist and personality David Attenborough once placed some foreign objects in the arena of a Wilson's bird of paradise male. The male quickly cleared the foreign items out of his arena, thereby showing that it is very important to maintain the tidiness of this arena so as to attract a mate. The red bird of paradise is a large bird, for a bird of paradise, about 33 centimeters long, or 13 inches. It is brown and yellow with a dark brown iris, gray legs, and a yellow bill. The male has an emerald green face, a pair of elongated black corkscrew-shaped tail wires, dark green feather pom-poms above each eye, and a train of glossy crimson-red plumes and whitish tips at either side of the breast. With his long tail, the male can measure up to 72 centimeters long. That's about 30 inches. This includes the ornamental red plumes that require at least 6 years to fully attain. The female is similar but smaller in size, with a dark brown face, and has no ornamental red plumes. The diet consists mainly of fruits, berries, and arthropods. An Indonesian endemic, the red bird of paradise is distributed throughout the lowland forests of Waigeo and Batanta Islands of Raja Ampat, West Papua. This species shares its home, therefore, with the Wilson's bird of paradise. Hybridization between these two species has not yet been recorded, but it is suspected because it is recorded for many other birds of paradise species. With regard to breeding behavior, we can note that the red bird of paradise is polygynous, with promiscuous, communally displaying males. Females presumably nest build and rear the young unaided, as is the case with other birds of paradise in this genus.